How can you participate in DAO governance voting on WingRiders? Enter the app and connect your wallet. If you don't know how, watch our separate video, How to Get Started with WingRiders. Go to Governance and Voting. Here you can see your current voting power. It's a reflection of all the WingRiders tokens that you hold in your wallet and across the platform in farms, liquidity pools, unclaimed rewards, boosting vault, and vesting. Below, you can see all the proposals for voting. First, those you can currently vote on. Then, the upcoming ones. You can see when those will be open for voting. And lastly, those that voting period ended and are closed. Let's vote now. Here you'll find all the information about the proposal. What's the time period for voting? How many days are left until the voting ends? Your voting power for this proposal, which can be actually different from your current voting power that you see in the voting dashboard. That's because your voting power for each proposal snapshots at the beginning of the voting period from your current voting power at that moment. Here you can see, at the start of this proposal, your voting power was 360, whereas your voting power at this moment is 400. Next, there's the name and short description of the proposal, Cardano address of its creator, a link to the full proposal documentation at IPFS, a link to WingRiders Improvements portal, where the proposal is discussed within the community, and the current results of the voting. Once you're familiar with all these details and you know what option you want to vote for, choose that option and submit your vote. Review it and confirm the proposal. Sign it in your wallet and wait for it to complete as any other transaction on the DEX. And you have successfully cast your DAO vote.